Alright then. Actually, this SaxSeat, it works even for the soprano. We know very well, most people will play the soprano, and after a while it gives pain to our actual thumb, because we hold the whole instrument from this thumb here, unless if we use in a strap, but still we have to lift it up. So I experiment the SaxSeat, and actually it helps a lot, even with the soprano saxophone. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you. I have to move the actual cup a bit forward, just to change the position of the cap. And I can rest the actually sax there, and I can use it again as long I want, even without the strap, for my practice, exercise, scales, anything. And again, I can lift it up this a bit more high to make myself more comfortable the way I need it. And here we are again, you know, I found it very, very handy, and for my soprano studies as well. Practicing a couple of hours a day is so nice, and it's so comfortable for me, because I haven't got any more pains on my thumb anymore, and I can use it as long as I want. That's the good thing about this actually stool, the SaxSeat. I hope everyone like it, and I'm sure that it will change everybody's life, and it will extend all your practicing from half an hour to 2 hours a day. That for sure, 100%. Thank you very much.